Is your truck alarm going off randomly? The most common causes are false triggers and grounding issues. Proper grounding is essential for a stable electrical system. Poor connections due to corrosion or loose wires create resistance, leading to false alarms. First, inspect your truck for obvious issues like loose doors. Then, use a multimeter to check your truck's grounding points. Look for continuity, less than zero point 0.1 ohms, to ensure good connections. Clean and tighten any corroded or loose connections you find. This will address the most common issues behind these false alarms, especially in older trucks prone to corrosion. If grounding isn't the issue, try resetting your truck's alarm module. This clears stored error codes and can resolve learned faults. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the system. Alternatively, use an OBD2 scan tool for a more precise reset, being mindful of manufacturer guidelines to avoid voiding warranties. If the problem persists after a reset, you likely have a faulty sensor. Modern trucks use AI-driven sensors, but wear and tear can cause hypersensitivity. If you've recently installed aftermarket accessories, ensure they aren't causing electrical interference. For advanced troubleshooting, consider a professional diagnostic scan. While DIY fixes are increasingly popular, experts recommend professional help for complex issues to prevent further damage.